Hi, I'm Rowena and this is my channel, A Fuller World. Together with my husband Kirk, we've set off to explore the beauty of a European summer. This year we brought a couple of friends along to help us wander through glaciers, lochs and stunning beaches, and we hope we can share a little bit of that wonder with you. Alright, so Kirk and I have been to pick up our beautiful Toyota Land Cruiser. We've got a car and we are now going to head out along the south of Iceland. We've got a few days to explore the beautiful areas. I know there's a few really cool waterfalls and other things we're going to hit up. So let's get on the road and see what Iceland has to offer.
Are we just smaller versions of a bigger home? Are you the rivers in your veins and mine, the flakes that become snow? And you might believe that everything is broken, fragments of sentences we haven't spoken.
Our first stop in Iceland is the Seljalandsfoss, which is a waterfall, as you can see behind me, that falls about 65 metres over the cliff. The cool thing was, I knew this was here, but there's actually 3 or 4 waterfalls right next to it, so you kind of get like 4 for the price of one, which is awesome.
Are we just jagged lines across a barren sea? Are the shapes inside a sunday the same as the arms of trees, and saying we're shell of what we used to be? Maybe we're smaller. Are we just smaller? And I get lost.
Pretty cool how you can just walk behind it, although I'm getting a lot of waterfall spray. This one is really cool. If you hike towards the end of all the waterfalls at the Seljalandsfoss, there's this like hidden waterfall in a little cave at the end, so you've got to kind of walk through the opening of the cave, but far out, it's spectacular in here. Did we all have a successful first waterfall in Iceland?
Yeah, just a bit wet.
Just a little bit. I had chaos this morning. So after the success of our waterfall visit this morning, our next stop is basically just randomly here on the side of the road, mostly because it was attached to somewhere that had food, but it looks like it's a little man-made cave inside a rock where they used to store hay and grain. So we're going to go check it out.
one day actually.
Is it lunchtime now?
Yes.
Waterfall number 2 for the day is one I can actually pronounce. So this is Skogafoss. So let's go take a look at this one. Skogafoss?
Yeah! It's huge. Saturated.
Alright, I think probably one of the last stops of today. We've come down to the Black Beach where they've got these really cool sort of hexagonal basalt columns on the black sand, a bit like they have up at Giant's Causeway. But yeah, it's just really pretty, sun's out, it's a beautiful day and almost dinner time, so we might start to head around to the hotel soon. Ooh, windy. Oh wow, this is pretty. All right, so we have found the cutest little place to stay. This place is called the Magvatn Hotel and they're like little cabins just set amongst the hills here in Iceland. It feels like we're almost completely isolated and like the views behind me, just stunning. I'm so glad that we're here for a couple of nights. Believe it or not, but it is definitely bedtime. Obviously the sun stays up quite a long time here in the middle of summer. But like I love the lighting, I love the fact that it's so light and that you have so much time in your day here in the middle of summer. So we are going to call it a night. We've got heaps to do tomorrow, so we are not done with Iceland yet. But yeah, we'll see you bright and early in the morning, ready to go.